Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I'm going to share one of the best affiliate program you can use right now to earn amazing money. As you can see from here, I already withdrawn more than $3,000 on this account and currently $42 is pending. So how you can do it, I will show you step by step and let me refresh you for this if you think it is inspect element. So simply I will refresh it, and if you are from any country, you can simply use this, and I will going to share how you get instant approved by this affiliate program by simply following this video till end. So what this video till end? For using this affiliate account, what you need to do, simply click the link in the description. After filling all the form, you will get instant approved. Okay, by simply clicking the link on the description. From that link, you will get instant approval of this KMO program. So simply click the link in the description. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. After that, what you need to do, simply if you are from India, and if you are from India or any other country where this affiliate program is not working, I will give you the link in the description. For that, you can simply use this VPN. The VPN is called VWPN, and you can use UK London on the location, and simply turn on this and you are able to use this affiliate program. But what you need to do, simply install this. If this affiliate program is not working, then you need to do. If it is working, simply skip this step. Okay, so simply install this VWPN. It is a Chrome extension. You can use it on Edge or Chrome both, and simply select London and click on that button, and this is green. It means the VPN is running. After that, click the link in the description. From that link you will get instant approval of this affiliate program. Then how you can promote it, I will show you each and everything. As you can see, I refreshed it already, and I already withdrawn more than $3,000 on this account, and I have several account too, which I am using in different strategies. So let me show you how I did it in this account. So what you need to do, simply, what is this? This is kind of Amazon, where you will get all product at a really cheap price. So what you need to do, you can select any of this item which is generally available at low price and simply create a video on it. Or simply what you can do, you can create a YouTube channel around it, or you can publish a reel around this price drop product. For example, this price drop, there is a lot of product which is available at really cheap price, and you can simply create a videos or reel by simply screen recording. So here is a proof what I did. Let me show you here. Here I get 23,000 views on this channel, and I created lots of same type of videos like promo code, coupon code, this type of videos, and promote products in shorts. And you can follow this same strategy too and earn this much money in less than a 2 month or a 1.5 month or 1 month. Okay, it is really easy. I currently stopped working on this, but I started again. Okay, so this is the only step. Simply follow this all from the link in the description. That's it. Thank you very much.